and welcome to my studio. So I have a new design out, or I should say 3 designs, and they are free, they're easy, and they are fun. So it's all about using your leftover yarn in fingering weight. So what I propose to use your fingering weight leftovers for is to make what I called Royal PomTassel. PomTassels multiple. So Royal PomTassel number 3 is this pretty little thing. So it's a combination of double layered small tassels decorated with beads, 2 wooden beads covered with yarn, and focal pointed bead and an I-cord. So this is the number 3, and you can use it for any garment, kind of like to spice up any kind of outfit, a bag, in a car, or in a home decor. So I have one extra one here and a little bag here, and I just absolutely love it. I think it complements it perfectly. So the second one, Royal PomTassel number 2, is this pretty little thing. So it's 3 layers of tassels. They're longer than the one I showed before. Glass beads, and then I found really pretty sugar skull that I attached that perfectly goes with this PomTassel. Pom-pom and an I-cord, same thing. Bags, your garment, car, home decor. Here I have it on this little bag, and I think it's perfect for the beach. So, and a third one, and well, it's actually Royal PomTassel number 1, and I call it a necklace. It's the one you see behind me on a model. So I have one here, and again, this is a combination of 3 layered tassels with a little bit of glass beads, wooden bead covered with yarn, and then you have 3, in this case I have 2 I-cords and a bead string. I just simply ran out of purple yarn in a dried shade, so I decided instead of looking for more, I decided to use all my purple beads for this project, and it worked perfectly. So this, you can wear it as a necklace or as a scarf, call it whatever you want, and for any season. It's perfect for summer or for, again, winters, fall, winter, whatever you want. So it's a really wonderful. So each pattern for each of those little precious thing is 6 pages long. So I tried to put as many details as I could, and it's got written instructions and a photo tutorial for each one of them, 6 pages for each one. And also what I did for each of the styles, I did a video tutorial, and you can find it on this channel. So it's each one of them is between 10 and 15 minutes long. So again, I put everything I know, the way I make them. So I try to share my knowledge, and it's absolutely free. So all I ask for, make it and share these projects that you've done with us. Tag me so I can see what you came up with. And I would suggest that in my pattern, I do suggest to start with a fingering weight yarn, but again, it's just a suggestion. So you make 1 or 2 the way I described it in my pattern, and then branch out. You can do whatever you want. It's just I don't suggest to start with the difficult yarns. For example, tassels, and when you cover your beads, and by the way, wooden beads covered with yarn, it has really wonderful purpose. So I think it gives it much more finished look to the whole unit, but it also gives it a weight. So it kind of anchors it down, and it just works really wonderful. So the only challenge is to find a large wooden bead with a large opening, and I describe in my pattern why. So I suggest just download it. You have all the links to where you can find it below this video. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you little PomTassels. Share it with us on social media, tag me so I can see it, and I can't wait to see your stuff. Bye.